Meet Maya. For years, she managed a busy retail store. Early mornings, late nights, always on her feet, always hustling. But no matter how hard she worked, the bills kept piling up, and the dream of something better felt just out of reach. Maybe you felt that too. Stuck, wondering if there's more out there, but not sure where to even start. One night, scrolling through her phone, Maya stumbled on something that caught her eye: www.CloudDevOpsJobs.com. She clicked, almost out of curiosity, and suddenly a whole new world opened up. Cloud and DevOps jobs everywhere. Animated stats jumped off the page. Cloud DevOps jobs grew 51% in 2023. Average salary, $120,000 plus. For the first time in a long time, Maya felt hope. She signed up for a free intro course just to see what it was all about. Turns out, you don't need a computer science degree or years of coding experience to get started. Step by step, she learned everything from the ground up, building real projects, connecting with mentors, and getting feedback every step of the way. Fast forward a year. Maya isn't stressing over bills anymore. She works from home, sets her own hours, and solves real-world problems for a living. Her journey wasn't always easy, but she'll tell you, the hardest part was getting started. So if you're feeling stuck in a job that's going nowhere, know this: you're not alone, and it's never too late to change your path. Check out www.CloudDevopsJobs.com. Your future self will thank you.